Hey, good evening. It's the end of an incredible weekend, the end of my day. It's 9/21/2021, the 9th month, the 21st day of the 21st century. And I am grateful. This is the end of also my workday and celebrating and still feeling so grateful for this last weekend attending the Goldwell KMS on tour in Nashville. Blessed to have had Kevin Garrity to announce me as one of the grand prize winners for a ticket for two to the New York City Academy. And so, I shouted and showed out. It was wild and wonderful. I just wanted to take a moment to say how much I appreciate all the work from conception to planning to, I'm sure, the entire team from Tammy Kay, Lori Adams to Kara to all of the sales report partners. The sales partners from Cosmoprof to Jen Stanley. There are so many people behind executing an amazing show, a hands-on 3 parts, styling, cutting, and also the launch of so many new amazing tools and techniques in the Goldwell hair color world. From the models to the collaboration, just the magic that was brought onto the stage. I see all of you. I appreciate and understand the very hard work and the leadership we have in Sandra Humphreys and Lisa DePerna. I just wanted to say thank you before I end my night. I had a great day at work, totally inspired, sharing with everyone back at the salon and my clients, and I'm going to ride this momentum for months until we attend that New York City Academy soon. So stay humble, stay grateful, and you just never know when somebody is standing up there with a microphone and you're in the back of the crowd unawares and your colleague goes, "Hey, isn't that you?" And that's you. And you hear VASHTI 901. Vashti 901. She stood up, she did it, and I'm so grateful. Mwah. Have a great night.